Welcome, here I've got Asus Rog Phone 2 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see we are in the standard photo mode, but the camera leveler is not available in this mode. This is only available here in the Pro mode, so we have to change it, and we can do it by using this settings bar here and just simply going to the right to the end. And here we are in the Pro mode. Don't be scared, because here we have also auto settings, so you don't have to manage this. To get access to the camera leveler when you need it, we have to go to this button here in the left corner. When we tap on this, we get access to advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down to other settings, and as you can see, here we have the gradienter. So by tapping on this button, we can easily turn it on and turn it off like that. So this is our leveler here. I'm going to keep this, turn it on to show you how it looks like on the camera preview. And let's go back to it, and as you can see, it generates as this signs here, and this is how it works. This is helpful when we want to keep our photographic topic straight at the picture. So this is how it works. Of course, to turn it off when we don't need it, we have to go back to these settings in the left, slide a little bit down, tap on this button, and now it's gone. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.